Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Docker Desktop in Windows 11. So uh, press this button, so download for Windows. So choose this, download, save. Yes, I'm gonna wait until the installation is finished. So until the installation is finished, I'm gonna uh, go to the next step. So you search for return Windows feature on or off in the search here. Then you search for Hyper-V and you activated it and you activate it and and Windows subsystem for Linux. Yeah, and okay. Just waiting, searching for required files. Just a few moments. Applying changes. So we need to reboot the PC for to finish installing. After the download is finished, now we're gonna finish the installation. So double click on this Docker Desktop installer. Wait a few seconds. Yes. Just waiting. So I already have the Docker Desktop. So for the first time, he will ask you to restart the Windows. So in my case, so I already have the Docker, so I don't need to restart my computer. So after you restart your computer, so you will get this window. So tap on accept, use recommended settings. Yes, finish. Yes. So you want to you need to create account, or you can skip. And this is the Docker after the installation. That we tap the command WSL status, and then look at the version. Default version is 2, and for the Docker version we have this version. Yeah. And now gonna test it. It should show nothing for this command. Yeah. Docker, welcome to Docker. Yeah. Next, gonna search, for example, images for MySQL, and look all by MySQL. So thanks for your attention. This is how to install Docker in Windows.